Welcome back. Let us understand what is an XOR function in Excel and how to use the XOR function. XOR is exclusive OR function. When both the conditions have met, it will give the result as false. If both the conditions are not met, then also it will give the result as false. If either of the conditions are met, then it will be given the result as true. Let us use the formula equals XOR, open the bracket, select the unit from C29 and the condition is equals to 2. If the condition is meeting with the unit as 2, then it will be given as false. And select D29. For D29, the condition is greater than 200. C29, which is equal to 2, that condition is also met, and D29, which is greater than 200, that condition is also met. Hence, you have the result as false. Copy the formula across all the remaining cells. The formula is populated in column E. Let us see why this is true in row number 30. For C30, the condition is not equal to 2 and the condition is not met. D30 is greater than 200, which the condition has met. Since either of the condition is met, that is why the result is true. Let us see for row number 34 why it is false. XOR C34 equals to 2, but the value is 27. The condition is not met, and D34 is greater than 200, that is also not met. Hence, it is giving as false. If the conditions are met, then the result will be false. If the conditions are not met, then the results will be false. If either of the conditions are met, then the result will be true. So, XOR function works.